In this video, we show how to clear the NVRAM and disable the password on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, air shroud, and riser 5 removed from the system, to disable the password, switch dip switch 2 over to the on setting and reboot, and then to re-enable the password, switch dip switch 2 back to the off position and restart. To clear the NVRAM, switch dip switch 1 over to the on position and then restart. To re-enable the NVRAM, switch dip switch 1 back to the off position and restart. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.